Good morning. Today's September 28th, and it's been a very good morning. I've been profitable morning day trading. I've made, I didn't make a whole lot, but Tesla's up, and so is Apple. I mean, everything's up this morning. But basically, when I started day trading, I could have bought Tesla at 424, 425 this morning in the pre-market, but I decided to wait till the market opened, which is rare, because usually I do most of my trading pre-market, because personally I believe if you want to make an easy 1 or 2%, get up in the morning, find something that in pre-market, such as Tesla, or Apple, or whatever, whatever company about. Basically, it went up to, I think, around 428 or so, and then it dropped down to, I think the low today's been 418 this morning, or 417. I bought it at 418, and I turned around and made a quick, profit, around $1 a share. Nothing major, but it was in and out. I didn't know which way it was going, because the stocks, started out high. It's just slowly been losing its gains, but that's what I do. I believe that small gains will add up, and just on Tesla alone, I made over $120 in the last week, and all I did was sell it in the pre-market. Every time, buy early, wait till, and you can generally sell, however long, but if you wait right before the market opens, you probably will get a better price, after 9 o'clock, 9:30. It's, any of those big companies, Tesla, Apple, anytime they have earnings or anything like that, you'll make good money. But today it was, it seems like everything was up. There's some good news, and it's just caused all the stocks to go up. It wasn't anything in particular with Tesla, so I wasn't trying to, wait around. I was just trying to get my money quick, get in and get out. Just those small gains, just keep on letting them compound, and next thing you know, I've turned $700 into $3,400. It doesn't take long, in just, I think, a total of 5 months. So I mean, it's fun doing it. The main thing is just know where your entry point is, what you're wanting to buy at, and what you're wanting to sell at, and and always have a plan B, just in case the market it's like doesn't go exactly the way you were expecting it to. Like this morning, I bought in at 418, and I was thinking it was going to go right back up, but it didn't. It dipped a little bit, and it had me a little bit worried. So my second option that I always have a exit strategy is I went ahead and just sold it at 419, took a quick profit. Nothing spectacular, but I'm happy with it, and I expect this week Tesla is going to be it's probably going to make it, I'd say it'll make it back up to 440, easily. It was trading, just last Monday, I was buying it at 365, and it's, today we're already talking, it's 425, 427 this morning. So, my opinion is if you can get a good price on it below 420, I'd buy, if you want to buy and hold, and or you can just wait till it drops again, has a red day. I mean, but in general, I wait till I just wait till I just wait I can find a good spot, depending on, some good news, earnings, whatever, and, some type of catalyst. And Apple was another stock I was trying to buy. I was trying to get it at around 113, but I didn't, I decided just to buy Tesla this morning. So it didn't always go, everything don't go as planned, but just make sure you get your money back and have a stop loss prepared. I'm hoping sometime this week Apple will fall below 110. If it falls below 110, that's, I'm definitely going to buy as many shares as I can. And as far as Tesla, like I said, it's so volatile. I think, any time right now is a good time to buy. I think it'll be back to 500 within the next 30 days. Sometime during the month of October this year, it'll be, $500. So it's nothing that I worry about putting my money into. I just like to make a quick profit, and then just watch my my gains add up. And it doesn't take long. Other stocks that I'd focus on this week is Diamond Peak Holdings, ticker symbol DPHC. It was up over 8%, I think, in pre-market. I think it's trading around $25. If it, I'm not going to buy it at 25, but if it falls below 25, I'm definitely going to try to buy into it. If it falls, say, anywhere under, $23 and something, anything below $24 is definitely, a good place to buy, because it's just, I've watched this stock go from $18 to $25 in no time. And, it could go to 30, who knows? But, like I said, I'm trying to make 5 or 10%, in a week. I'm not trying to get it all in one day. I'm happy with 1 or 2% in a day. But, you get a good volatile stock like ticker symbol, it's DPHC, Diamond Peak Holdings. You've got a very good chance, of making 5 or 10%. If you buy it at the right time, or I think they're supposed to be merging with another company this month. So they had some news out, and that's why they continued to go higher. But in general, the main thing is just I look for winning stocks that are going up for, say the past 3 months. If you've got a stock that's going up for 3 months, that's headed in the right trajectory, say like Apple or Tesla, you're going to be just fine, if you want to invest. But in general, this is a good time to invest in the stock market. I think, in any of the blue chips, because they've dipped down in the past month, and I think they're on the way back up. And this should be a pretty good week for them. Like I said, just any of those 3 stocks, plus another penny stock that I've always watched is China Natural Resources, ticker symbol CHNR. It's been profitable for me week in, week out for many months. It's volatile. It has the chance, it trades around $1.05, $1.10, but it jumps to $1.20 and $1.25 probably, I'd say, once a month or so. And it's a good it's a stock you'll have to sit on. There's not a lot of volatility, but it's a good investment as long as you buy on the low end. You know, right now, you know, I'll be trying to buy it at $1.05 or $1.06, so I can make, you know, 1 or 2%, you know, fairly easily. But you know, it's one that, I mean, there's not many companies, especially penny stocks, that I'd want to hold overnight. And you know, I generally wouldn't recommend. I personally wouldn't recommend holding any, but you know, that's one that I have held overnight in the past, and you know, it's one that I feel that it's, for a penny stock, it's safe, that you're going to get that you can make a decent profit on, and it's got, you know, volatility potentially. You know, don't have a high volume of trades every day, but it can shoot up from a dollar, say, you know, $1.05, $1.10 to $1.20 or $1.30 in one day. So that there'd be my penny stock pick for you all. Anyways, I hope you all have a very profitable week. You know, my advice: trade Tesla, trade Apple, trade Diamond Peak Holdings, and you'll definitely come out ahead. All right, I hope everyone has a very good and profitable week. And if y'all have any questions, feel free to leave them just leave a comment or send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to respond. I hope everyone has a good day.